This is the tutorial on how to get the free gamertag username change on Xbox. Basically, you want to head over on your Xbox. You want to go to the app Microsoft Edge. You can go to My Games and Apps, and go to Apps, and you'll see it there if you can't find it. Once you go there, you want to open up a new tab on the Xbox thing. Once you open a new tab, what you want to search is social.xbox.com, which was in my other video. Once you search social.xbox.com, it should take you to this website right here. Now, since you're on your Xbox, you're already signed in, obviously. It'll show you your current gamertag here. Where it says enter a new gamertag, you just want to do the gamertag you want your new one as. So when you type that in, it has to be 12 characters long, and a space counts as one character. So once you're done with that, I just made one up. Then you're going to scroll down. As you saw there, you saw some of the letters deleted, but it'll do that sometimes, so just enter the letters, re-enter it again, it'll work the second time. Push next. Now it'll ask you to confirm, saying, are you sure you want this as your new gamer tag? So you want to push confirm if you're sure about it. So you're going to want to push claim to claim your gamer tag. So for me, it's going to ask me to pay because I've already done it. So on this one, you can only use it one time. You can only use the free gamer tag name change once on social.xbox.com. Even if you've already changed it before on the Xbox, social.xbox.com works free the first time. So it'll just say okay, and it might ask you to sign out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like if this helped you. I'm trying to grind. Peace.